Welcome to
Colombia.
Colombia, 10 days, let's go. And ladies and gentlemen, good morning or good afternoon, finally with my friend Ronnie, yeah. Yeah, we are just arriving in Colombia. It was such a mess to rent the car, and after many cancellations and 14 agencies that I had to contact, finally we got our car. Now we have to drive 6 hours in this beautiful Colombia, and we go in direction of the Tatacoa desert for 10 days. The trip starts now. Hello! Can you present the room, Mr. Ronnie?
I have no idea what kind of weird UFO is this.
Yeah, I don't know, but it's pretty, let's say, do we speak? I don't know if it's an English word. A lot of mosquitoes, and as you can see, the view is really nice. So we're gonna go now for the observation of the stars, and then we're gonna have, after like free time, we can finally rest, and tomorrow we should go for a buggy tour. Let's see. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to make a buggy tour in the desert. I have no clue. The driver is not an English speaker, so it's gonna be a bit tough to understand. But at least I hope to use a drone and make some nice footage. So Ronnie, what do we do now?
We're walking in the desert.
So the guide told us, okay guys, you walk here for 10-15 minutes and I pick you somewhere. And we were like, okay, that's it. And that's why now he says it's the wrong side over there. Oh, okay. He said, okay guys, just go and good luck. we are currently between Tatacoa Desert and Armenia. It's such a mess because the road is absolutely insane, isn't it?
Definitely.
And it looks like Mario Kart. The trucks are overtaking us like every time, even though we are like at full speed. So yeah, it takes longer than expected, but if one day you go to Colombia, I invite you to take this road. And we just reached the peak, which was at 3,300 meters. That was not planned at all, and we have almost no fuel, but hopefully, luckily now we go down, so we are safe, in theory. And we are finally arrived in Pereira. Pereira, after a crazy week of a crazy day of driving, and I let you enjoy the plaza, which is the main place. It starts raining now, so let's run in a bar or somewhere, and then that's it for today. See you tomorrow, guys. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, where are we?
Some turtles somewhere.
The Cascada San Miguel. So as you can see in front of me, we have this gorgeous San Miguel waterfall, which is pretty nice. And this is like what we can call the Thames. So we are going to swim after. It was raining this morning. It was a mess. Nobody speaks English. It really sucked. But overall, we still managed. So let's see how is the water at 45 degrees. What did you say?
That looks fucking insane.
You talk about this amazing mountain? Yes, it is. Are you ready for 5.5 hours driving?
No.
No. So yeah, we just finished to swim in the Thames, and then now we go to Guatape, which is close to Medellin. So luckily the roads are nice. So yeah, we are pretty happy. 28 degrees, not that bad. So still on the way to Medellin, and the road is amazing, but it's so much traffic, so much construction, so we will probably arrive by night. And don't drive in Colombia by night if you're not confident while driving.
Two things. Never go to the back of the helicopter. You got the road. Entonces, vas a ir adelante, ¿cierto? You're
And now we are climbing up El Peñón
El Guatapé.
de Guatapé.
Stepping in water.
The view is amazing. Let's continue. My cardio of the 7,000 meters is gone. 655, 6, 7. We made it. Okay, what? Repeat. Where are we now?
Piedra de Guatapé.
Okay, that's on the top of the stone. As you can see, the view is absolutely insane. And now we can go down and celebrate it with a restaurant, mister.
Oh yeah.
All right, let's see the sunset and then we go down. Oh, a lot of colors. Interview. How are you? How are you on the screen? So I wanted to show you just before we leave the nice hotel that we got. So yes, and then this amazing view with the jacuzzi. Can't complain. And now it's time to go to Medellin airport because we go to Cartagena to spend the New Year.
Manténlo abrochado todo momento mientras esté sentado, aunque la señal del cinturón esté
Oh,
apagada.
it's been amazing.
To fasten your seatbelt, you can
So
take
far
out
now we are
the
taking the plane to Cartagena, that's the second part of the trip, to celebrate New Year.
Fasten or recline while seated, even if